Hello, Winnie and your husband. My name is Nago Trace. I am in P6. I want to congratulate your birthday and your wedding day, though I am in Uganda. I want to thank you for your sponsoring. When you started to sponsor me, I got hope and future. I want to become a doctor after my studies. May God bless you. I love you, Winnie, and your husband.
Hello, Winnie and your husband. My name is Namatev Edith. I'm in primary 3. I congratulate your birthday and your wedding day. I am celebrating your birthday and your wedding day. Thank you to sponsoring me. When you started to sponsoring me, I got hope and future. I want to be nurse after my studies. I love you, Winnie, and your husband. May God bless you. Goodbye.
Hello, Winnie and your husband. My name is Muksa Sande. My class is a top class. I want to be a teacher. And congratulations.
Dear Winnie, with your husband. My name is Seranja Jarudi. I am in primary 2. I want to be doctor when I finished my studies. Happy birthday. Bye bye.